Then check your homework. Change the tenses as directed. You can see sentences are given and the instructions are given in bracket to what tense you have to change into. Our team won the match. Now you know change in tense means change in verb only. Rest part will be copied as it is. So, and you have to apply the rule of tenses. And the rule of tenses will be applied only in verb. Our team won the match is simple past. You have to change into present perfect. PR means present. The rule of present perfect is has, have plus third form of the verb. Third form of one is also one. Win, won. Our team singular, so has is picked. Our team has won the match. Number 2, the servant is sweeping the room. Is sweeping is present continuous. Okay, you have to change into simple past. Simple past, for changing into simple past, you only have to write the second form of the verb. Okay, sweep, swept. The servant swept the room. Number 3, our soldiers repaired the bridge. You have to change into past continuous. The rule for past continuous is was, were plus verb plus ing. Okay, first form of the verb plus ing. Ing is added only to the first form of the verb. So our soldiers repaired the bridge is in simple present. See, first form of the verb is given. So our soldiers were, because this is plural, were repairing the bridge. Number 4, the farmers will plow the field. Now this is simple future and you have to change into simple present. Simple present means first form of the verb is to be used. If the subject is singular, s will be added to the verb, and if the subject is plural, it will be written in its root form. So the farmers, this is plural, so only plow the field. Next, I did my homework. This is simple past. You have to change into simple future. Children, remember that whenever you change into simple future or any future, you have to write will or shall. And if the subject is I or we, shall will be written. If the subject is I or we, shall will be written, otherwise will. So I shall do my homework. Will, shall plus first form of the verb. In future, simple future, will, shall plus first form of the verb is your, and this is second form of the verb. So simple past, do, did, done. I shall do my homework. Now tick the correct option. This is from agreement of verb. Number 1, the captain with all his men. See, two nouns are joined by with. Okay, so singular verb is to be picked. Number 2, Ashok as well as Anil likes tea. Now, two nouns joined by as well as. So you will take a singular verb. Only when they are joined by and you will take a plural verb. This is singular because s is added. When s is added to the verb, it becomes singular. Number 3, neither Tom nor his friends have come. Now see, two nouns are there joined by neither nor. Okay, in such case, we pick the verb which is closer to the noun or pronoun. See, friends is plural and which is closer to the verb. So you have to pick a plural verb. Understood? So, neither Tom nor his friends have come. Number 4, each one of these houses is are to let. Is are to let means to be given on rent. Now see, whenever a sentence starts with each, every, everyone, many a, okay, one, in such case you will always pick a singular verb, not according to the houses, because the sentence starts with each, so singular verb is to be picked. Number 5, the quality of the apples was word good. We are not talking about apples, we are talking about the quality of the apples. Quality is singular, so was. There is our one desk in the class. We are talking about one desk, so is singular. Either of the two boys has done. Why? Because the sentence starts with when you have only either or neither. See, here you have neither nor. Two nouns are there. Okay, but here you have only one noun and the sentence starts with only, its sentence has only either. In such case, you have to pick a singular verb. Learn all the rules from the book, children. Many a boy has have not done his duty. Many a means singular verb. Many boys were playing. Okay, was were playing, were playing. Many boys means plural verb. Many a means singular verb. Okay.